and welcome to our room tour here at Disney's Beach Club Resort. Come on in. Alrighty, we are in room 4627, this trip. It is a standard view room here at the Disney Beach Club. So this room does accommodate 4, however we are a family of 5 with an infant, so we were able to book 5 for these accommodations. So just right when you walk in, there's a little coffee bar here with a mini fridge down below. Has our Keurig as well as our ice bucket and some Joffrey's K-Cups. And then heading over this way, we have our full-size closet. Definitely ample space. There is a safe here on the wall, pretty tiny. You might be able to fit an iPad, but not much else other than your wallet. And then heading into the main room area here, it has 2 queen-size beds for you. These rooms were recently renovated and they look beautiful. They look like they have new wallpapering, new flooring, definitely new headboards, new lighting, and looks like new artwork too. Check that out. It is so cute. So you have Daisy there at the beach club. And then heading over this way, we have our TV with a pretty good amount of storage. I feel like we can make this work for the week for a family of 5. Lots of space underneath the beds to store our luggage. Some additional storage space in the nightstands over there, as well as a desk just to kind of sit down and get some work done. Oh, this is cool. An additional little table here for breakfast. Alright, and then heading over again, we are on the 4th floor, so we have a little Juliet balcony. But some rooms here at the beach club do not have a balcony. That's one of the things to note when you're staying here. I personally usually like to request a 1st floor room just so that way we can have a 1st floor walkout. But yeah, just one thing to note is there really is no like sitting space, so additional square footage. Alright, so heading into the bathroom area, it does have a double vanity, which is nice for getting ready in the morning. It does not have any type of door over here when you're getting into this section, so I would say this hotel room is not Boy Mom approved. If you're looking for somewhere with a little privacy or girl dad approved, I know people sometimes are looking for a little space. So yes, if you head over into the bathroom area, it is a little bit tight in there. There's a tub and shower combo, as well as a glass door, which was new with the refurbishment, replaced the shower curtains that they used to have. So it is a little bit tight in there. Again, I think if you're a girl dad, boy mom, you might find this configuration a little tough if you're squeezing in here for a week just for privacy reasons. But other than that, I feel like this room definitely has a nice refurbishment. It's nice and clean and updated. Has the beachy vibes that we love, and of course we just love being here at the Beach and Yacht Club. It's an amazing resort on Disney property, one of our favorites. So if you're interested in booking Disney's Beach Club or Yacht Club or any resort on Disney property, please reach out to us at Paul and Ashley at Magic Vacations on Facebook. Thank you.
Thanks for watching and safe travels!